Hello and welcome to the replay. Hey guys. So I'm going to try to see if I can see, whoops, that's not what I wanted. Oops. Oh my goodness, what did I do? Sorry, I'm trying to, I don't have my Facebook or my whatchamacallit up. The comments. Shoot. I can't see the comments because I don't have my iPad with me. So hopefully, you guys don't think I'm being rude. I am just not having all the stuff I need with me. So I wanted to show you, I got a small haul in because I did a few orders the day that the launch happened because I missed some things. So I'm coming through to show you what's in this particular one. Let's see. Uh-oh, why is it giving me... There it goes. Okay, hopefully it's still recording. Okay, so first one we have is so pretty. It is Merry Christmas. It's actually called Merry Christmas. Hold on, let me get the lights on so you guys can see it better. Hold on. There it goes. Hopefully I'm not blocking the light. So we got Merry Christmas. Love it. I love the little, I guess this is like supposed to be like boughs of holly, I suppose, and some berries. So that's cute. Can't wait to start creating Christmas. This one I was so excited to get. This is the Happy Halloween with the pumpkins. These are size C transfers, guys. They're $24.99. This one is called Happy Halloween. I love the little pumpkins down here. And I love the words, the way it goes. Oh, it looks like it's going to be like come out distressed looking. It's super cool. And I'm sorry if I'm not greeting you as you come in. Sorry. I don't have my iPad handy. So I can't say hi. I'll come back and say hello to each of you though after I check the comments. The next one is Happy Fall, y'all. Now, they did realize that the y'all is spelled incorrectly. However, you could totally just move the apostrophe and move the letters and do however it's supposed to be. I myself did not realize it because, well, it's not a word I spell out often, so I didn't notice it, but I'm pretty excited about it regardless. How cute is this? Happy Fall, y'all. Love it. It is a size D transfer, which is $29.99. Super cute. Love it. This next one I was super excited to get for Bran because it's a sugar skull and he loves sugar skulls. And this is a nice big transfer. It's got a lot of different layers, so you can make a ton of different colors because, you know what, that light is making it worse to see these. There it goes. I love that it's got a lot of layers for it, so that way you can do a lot of different colors, because sugar skulls are typically lots of colors, and I just love them. And Big Brand is super excited about this too, so I love it. And then the next one, oh, so cute too. This one is called, oh, I'm dropping the transfers. This one is called Reindeer Feed Company. Now tell me, if you make little canvas bags for Santa, when Santa comes with the gifts, tell me it wouldn't be so cute to have this maybe on the front of it, or to make like a sign for your front door. Like, there's so many good ideas to use with this one. I'm so excited about it. I love the font, the way it looks too. It's super cute. And I love that it says Santa's Village, North Pole. Imagine if you didn't just put the Reindeer Feed Co. Like if you hid that and you just did the reindeer in Santa's Village, North Pole. That would be perfect on a bag from Santa. Maybe you can help him jazz up his bags to deliver to little kids this year. That would be awesome. That's also a size D transfer. The next one I love. It's called Christmas Tree Farm. Yes, Christmas Tree Farm. Tell me this wouldn't look so cute on our pillows that we have. I am loving this. It says Spruce Creek Farms Christmas trees cut and carry since 1954. Fresh pine scent, free hot cocoa. So cute. Now tell me you couldn't just use even just these on the side on the chalkable chips to make cute little signs or something, like to add like free hot cocoa and maybe use a chalkable chip and get a little stick of what is that called, peppermint, like a candy cane, and put it on the front and give it as like little teacher gifts or something come the holiday time. Wouldn't that be adorable? Just a little cute something. Or even fresh pine scent and getting a candle from like Yankee or Bed Bath & Beyond and adding the chalkable chip with a little piece of twine around it and putting that on there. Wouldn't that be so cute? Like sometimes just thinking outside the box makes it super fun. I love it. And that's also a size C. Oh, I'm dropping everything. Oh my goodness. I also got 2 inks, and the one ink I believe may possibly be mislabeled. They did say that there was a slight chance that that may have happened. I actually think the ink that I have is curry and not papaya. So let me double check. Regardless, obviously I'm super excited about these inks, but I will. I can't get the bag open. They really tape these good. Here it goes. Let's get this open so you guys can see the colors. Come on, I'm about to just rip the bag. Just rip it. So I can get them out of here. My goodness. There it goes. Okay, so we've got Fig, which is a really cool purple. This light is not doing this any justice whatsoever. It's a very pretty color. I like it a lot. And then, like I said, I'm pretty sure this is curry, not papaya, but I will double check that and I'll put it in the comments below. But I got the 2 new inks. So far that is my little haul from last Monday. My next box actually gets delivered tomorrow to my parents' house, and then my big box doesn't get delivered till Monday. I can't wait for it. It's gonna have all the new chalkboards. It's gonna be awesome. So if you guys are interested in purchasing any of these items, you can get them right in my store that's mentioned above, and you can snag your own, and I hope that you'll love them as much as I do. So thanks so much for watching, guys. Just wanted to pop in real quick and do my haul. Have a great night. Talk to you guys later. Bye.